Hello YouTube, and I'm back. I told you I will be making a few more videos this weekend probably. So, as I mentioned in the last video, today we're going to be wrong clips. Sorry, today we're going to be making a block that speeds you up. So when you walk in it, you walk like Superman. Now basically what we're going to do today is we're going to copy the soul sand block and just change a few numbers. So this will be a very fast video. So let's see, it's 12:16 now, so just keeping a little track on time. Let's see, if any of you modded in the 1.2.5 or before 3.2, you know that it came a lot of new packages with the 1.3.2. Now it's running a server even in the single player, but anyway, block soul sand. I can just go down. Sorry about my voice here, it's not perfect. Soul sand, there we have it. Now I'm just going to copy this and we're going to make a new block. I'm sorry, just gonna remove the mic a bit. There we go. And we're going to make a new block. So public, tell you what, I'll just copy my other block just to keep the time on a minimal, right? Test speed or something. Remember to give it a new ID. Oh, I want it to be lighting like that. New block speed. Okay, mod loader dot register mod loader dot register. It's annoying. Okay, tell you what. Block test speed. That's worked perfectly. I forgot here. Remember to change this one. You will get an error because it doesn't exist yet. This file doesn't exist. So just wait 10 seconds. And we will be making that file. Mod loader dot add name. Test speed is going to be called slash, no, that's wrong. Speed block. And test speed dot block index and texture equals mod loader dot add override from slash slash terrain.png. I'm going to override that to slash test mod slash speed block. There we go. Right, and since for all we're using the dirt, the sand, and yeah, now we can have wood or something. Mod loader dot add recipe, and right, sorry. Sorry about that. New item stack test speed 120, no, 28. That will give us 2 stacks, I think. Yeah. And new object sorry, forgot. And now this is an easy way in my head to make a shapeless recipe. You just make a regular recipe and just add everything here instead of actually writing shapeless recipe. It's easier having control on one instead of two. Wood, and wood is block dot wood. There we go. Now before we move on, I'm going to make my texture. I'm sorry I didn't do that. I'll tell you what, I can make a texture I already have or use it. I think it was pretty good. So modding, yeah. There we go, we have our texture. Now next thing we're going to do is, yeah, we can save too, but that's what I didn't meant to do that. We're just gonna paste it here as well, so we have it for later. Now I can just let Eclipse build it or make the file instead of actually writing stuff. Finish. And now what we're going to do is going to copy everything from Soul Sand and paste it into here. We're going to get some errors, but block test speed. What's my... Ah, right. Okay. There we go. And this is material wood. We can chop it with our hand. And we're not going to get it from the creative tab. And I haven't experimented what this does or don't remember what it does, so you can try changing it, but pro tip when you change something is just remember what it changed it from. So if I'm going to change it now, I say, yeah, I just write that it was 1.25 f. So if I change it and I forget what it was, I know it's here. So pro tip for you guys, always write the default. in a note or a comment. So this here is the two numbers we're going to be editing from 4D to you gotta experiment with this. I'm going to change it to 10, just see what happens. Now it shouldn't crash. Psst. Windows. Why you crash? Image not found. Test block. Yeah, you see now it deleted everything. So we're going to put the images in again, and we can just cross our fingers that it doesn't crash this time. What? Image not found / test mode SpeedBlock. Right, as I mentioned or as I've done several times, I forgot to write .png at the end. But you know, everybody makes mistakes. Now it finally works and we can go into our world. Ouch. Okay, but at least there's, oh, okay, so we're still suffering from the effects. Or do we have wood? No, I don't have wood. No, it would be great finding our way home, so okay, we weren't in a snow world, so way. Oh, but I gotta stop doing that. Oh, you're just kidding me? Oh, and I have an axe. And I'm a moron. I used a recipe that already exists. So I'm going to take, instead of wood, it's going to be one piece of planks. Nothing is planks. Just one plank, right? I don't think so. Yeah, there we go. $2,100, nice one. Okay, I'm just gonna see if I can find a flat area here. Yeah, flat enough. Now, as you see, it's made me move very quickly, but a little bit too quickly if you ask me, so yeah, so I'm going to turn this down a bit just to try making it a little bit realistic, not just 50 not just poofing around the entire world. But I want you to know that when I made mods, started making mods originally, I made them because I think Minecraft should be that way, or I think it would be cool. Like when I made my foods, like my Red Bull. Oh, yeah, it's still very fast. I made it like that because I think it should be something. It should be a potion that makes you move really fast, not just a little bit faster. And a jumping potion, for instance, my cola. That's a jumping potion that just makes you jump very high, or 5 or 4 blocks. I'm still working on it, but I'm gonna turn this down to 2 now. So I recommend using under 5, but if you want to be a teleportation block or something in the direction you're going, it'll work perfectly. You see, that's more like it. Now if you got a long stretch with this, you're going to get a perfectly like railroad or something. But yeah, you can try this out for yourself in flat grass or something. Just make a very long stripe of this. But I can explain a bit how this works. I can just turn this down a bit first to 1.5. Basically what this does is I'm just going to give myself some of the stuff. There's a crafting bench. By the way, if you just want to make the block and don't care how to use it, you can just end the video now. But I want to know, or yeah, I want to play a little bit with it, and I just make it in the video so you guys can see if you want to. Okay, so as you can see, you just walk very quickly on it. Ouch. I think this is perfect. 1.5 is perfect. But unfortunately, how this is coded, or in theory how it works, is we took the basics of ice, that is slippy, right? Ice is slippy, you slip on it, or you glide on it, or whatever. So we use the same effect on this block, but when ice is under this block, the two numbers get multiplied. So in theory, you step on both of them. I think so. When we have this here, I think in theory we should be floating out the world when we step on this thing. I think. Yeah, see, that was a lot faster. So if you want to boost this, you can use ice, but yeah, I'm not gonna do it. I think it is stupid, but yeah, that's how you make this fast moving whatever block. And oh yeah, I see, that's kind of what I meant. So I will see you guys later, and I will be making more videos probably today, but keep coming with suggestions on what to make, because I start running out of ideas a little bit. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.